In this video, we are going to see how to download and install EditPlus. As a beginner, it is very important to use a simple text editor such as Sublime or Notepad++ or EditPlus. So we are going to use EditPlus. If you are an advanced user, you can use any of the IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans or IntelliJ. As a beginner, we should use a simple text editor. So how to download and install EditPlus? The very first thing you need to do is open a web browser. Go to www.editplus.com website. Click on the download section. If your system is 64-bit, you can just click the first option. Under EditPlus 5.3 evaluation version, you can find one link. The first link you can click. If your system is 32-bit, you just need to click on this more options and you can click on this first option, that is for 32-bit system architecture. So I'm just clicking on this very first link. It is a very simple program. It is about 2.5 MB. After download is finished, click on that downloaded file and you need to accept the license agreement. In this window, click on this accept. Windows will be showing us one window to grant the access to install this software in our system. You just need to click on yes. So here it is asking us to where to install this EditPlus in our system. In my case, I'll be installing it in the D drive. I'm just clicking on this 3 dot, this PC, D drive and EditPlus. I have created one folder called EditPlus inside development softwares. Okay, there I want to install this EditPlus and I'm just clicking on this OK. In your case, you can just click on start copy. Okay, or otherwise you can follow like what I have done. So just click on this start copy. So the setup has been completed successfully. Click on this OK, and then what you need to do is click on this Windows icon, type EditPlus. So here you just need to click on this pin to taskbar. Okay, so if you are doing this, you can launch this EditPlus right from the taskbar itself. Okay, so because of some broken files, it is not showing me the EditPlus icon. If I just restart the system, I can get this icon restored. So as of now, it is not necessary. So I know that this is the EditPlus. Okay, so if you are just highlighting this, you can find that it is showing me that it is a EditPlus program. You just need to click on this EditPlus, and from the window that is appearing for the very first time when you are launching this EditPlus, you need to click on this yes. So you need to accept the license agreement. So then for this set directories window, you just need to click on OK. So here I'm getting one little window like setup will overwrite existing syntax files. This window I'm getting because I have already installed this EditPlus before. So already some old files might have been present in that same folder. That is why I'm getting this window. In your case, you won't be getting this window. If you are installing it for very first time, you won't be getting this window. You just need to click on this S. I'm just clicking on this S. So in the background, opening EditPlus, and we have this one little window um, inside this EditPlus main window. So here you just need to click on this trial. Click on trial, and there you'll be getting one small window. You can just drag this little window down, and you can expand this main EditPlus window, and you can continue using this EditPlus as long as you wish. Okay, so there is no problem. So click on this file and highlight new and select Java. We are going to create one simple Java program. As you can see, the font size is very small, and we cannot able to see it properly. How to increase the font size here? Click on tools, click on preferences. Once again, click on tools and click on preferences. Under general node, you need to select this fonts, and I'm going to select the font weight as bold, and I'm going to set the font size to 26, and you can just hit the apply. If you're satisfied with the font size, you can just click on OK. So we are getting the default template for Java program. So please don't worry about this default template, that what it is all about, like what is class and what is main, or what is this system.out.println. So all these things will be covering step by step. As of now, I'm just naming this class as hello world. Hello world. Okay, and I'm just saving this file. Click on file and click on save as. So I'm going to save this file in the location that is F drive, OneDrive, which is programming, and here core Java fundamentals. Yep, here I'm going to save this file. So the name of this file, I'm going to give it as hello world. Please make sure that whatever the class name you have given here, the same thing with the same case. Okay, so here the first character, it is in the uppercase, and the second word of the class name, it is in the uppercase. Okay, so please follow the same, and you just need to click on save. Okay, so now we have this program to print hello world in the command prompt. Okay, so it is very simple program. We can call it as a hello world program. So go to the command prompt, and here we need to go to the location where we have saved this file, hello world. In my case, that is F drive and OneDrive, which is programming, and core Java fundamentals. Okay, so here I have saved this file. Okay, so we just need to copy this location, and come to the command prompt, and you just need to type cd space, paste the path that we have just copied. by Control V. If you are using Windows 7, you might need to right click and select the paste option. Okay, so it is fine with the Windows 10. I'm just hitting enter. You just need to press F and following that colon to go to this particular drive, that is F drive. Okay, enter, and you are in this location that where we saved this .java file. Okay, so here you need to trigger the command to compile this program. What is the command to compile this program? That is javac space hello world dot hello world dot java. Hit enter. If our program does not contain any syntax errors, we will be getting .class file in the same location where we have saved this hello world.java file. As you can see here, hello world.class file. You just need to go to this command prompt and trigger java command to execute this hello world class. Java space hello world. Java C means compilation. Java compilation. Java command we are using for to run this class, that is hello world. Hit enter. So we are getting the hello world in the command prompt. So this is how we can download and install EditPlus, and how we can compile and run a simple hello world Java program.